Hello friends, this is Satya. Today we are going to see how to install Automation Anywhere Community Edition. The first step in installing the Community Edition is just click this link. I also provided this link in description. Once you clicked, you can able to see this page. It will ask the details of your name, your email ID and region, phone number and company name, and approximately how many number of employees working in your company. You just need to enter here, and in job level whether you are a associate or lead or which role you are doing, just enter here. Once you entered all the details, and click the two check boxes here and click get free community edition. Once you clicked, the community edition URL and username password will be sent to your registered email address. If you open that email address, it will be like this. The control room URL and username and password will be provided here. After you received the URL and username password, just click the control room URL link and give the username password you received in the email. Once you logged in, you will be able to see the control room community edition page. Next step is go to my devices, click this link, it will show add local bot agent, and click connect to my computer and click the install bot agent. It will download the bot agent software in your system. Once you downloaded, install it in your system. The control room automatically pick the status of installation and it will be changed to green tick. And then next step is click get the Automation Anywhere extension link. Once you click that, it will move to Google Chrome extension page and click the add to Chrome and it will add the plugin. Again, the control room will pick the status of the extension installed in your system. It will automatically change to green tick. The next step is give the nickname for your local device and click done. Now the local device connected to your control room. Whenever you want to delete this local device connection, you can delete also. That's it for installation process.